Yes, so today I'm going to show you how to install kitchen cabinet knobs. So as you can see, I already installed a couple of them, and I kind of made a mistake. I wanted to go with the slim long kind, but only thing about that is instead of drilling a one hole, you have to drill two holes. And I realized for this kitchen cabinet, there's a lot of work. And the one I bought from Amazon was actually not really straight. So even though I measured really straight, but the knobs was not straight, so it gave me really hard time. Then I just go ahead, return it. I went to a local store, Lowe's, bought these knobs. So it was 10 pack for $18.99. These I'm gonna just fill it out and send it. Maybe use the same paint to paint it over, then you won't see it. Hope we're gonna work that way. But I'm just gonna go ahead and install the single knobs, and they actually look pretty nice too. And it's super easy. You want to make sure where you want to lay the hole. I find it easier if you just go with the trim here. So just divide in the middle of this frame here, and then that's where you're gonna drill the hole. And okay, so this is why I'm doing it right now. Okay. So I recently bought tons of tools from Amazon. This is one of them. I find it somewhat useful, but only thing I can't get really in the middle of this cabinet because all these holes not really fit into it. But this is level, definitely helpful. And of course I bought the drill, and so far so good. They did a lot of people like me. You know, I don't think this is perfect. It's not super heavy. And I will list all the product below. You can check it out. Okay. Alright, so I already measured the center. I'm gonna drill. Yes, let's do it. Yeah. So I bought this from Lowe's. And another tip is that I find that it really depends on. I find actually this a little bit thicker drill, cause this. So as you can see, I already installed the cabinets. It looks pretty nice. I haven't installed these. This is just decoration. It's not real cabinet. I'll see if I have enough knobs left. So this, very nice, very nice. So right now I'm trying to install the doing measurement on the pro cabinets, the long one. You can see. So what I'm doing is okay, I'm trying to get, instead of making it halfway, I'm doing this by each corner to draw a line, so the intersection will be in the center. To this, draw a line in the middle, and this in the middle, draw a line, the intersection is the middle, and make sure they're lining up. So look like they're pretty straight. I put this one too right here, and